How to delete your Mercari account. Hello guys, in this tutorial you would learn how you can delete your Mercari account. So after logging into your account, you would see the different products that you can get on Mercari. And then before you can delete your account, you have to ensure that you have no pending transactions, you have no outstanding account balance, and that you have no pending returns. So ensure you save all necessary information and all of that. And then once you've done that, the next step is to move to the top part of the screen. Then you can set the search box. If you're not using your web browser, perhaps you're using the application, you can just go to your web browser and then type the question, how can I delete my Mercari account? This is because you would have to fill a form for you to be able to delete the account. And so just scroll down until you can see an article by Mercari which says I can now delete my Mercari account, and then select it. And so after selecting that option, you'll be taken to the help centers page. So on this page, scroll down until you can see the option to permanently close your Mercari account. Submit your permanent account closure request via the intake form, and then just click on the link, and then you'll be taken to the next page. And so on this page, you can see Mercari data request form. So just go ahead and fill in this form. Fill in your Mercari account email, your resident, your street address, your city, and type of request. Carry out the captcha. Then the submit button will be available. Click on submit, and then the form will be submitted. So after the form has been submitted, all you need to do is to wait for a while. Mercari will process your request within 45 days. So keep an eye on your email for confirmation or any additional information needed. And so that is it. But you must remember that permanently closing your account is irreversible. If you would like a temporary break from Mercari, you can consider deactivating your account or using the vacation mode, because once you delete your Mercari account, you can no longer recover it. So that is it. Here is how you can delete your Mercari account easily. Thank you for watching and have a good day.